Apply the negative plate firmly against the recipient's abdomen skin. Evenly apply RF cream to the treatment area. RET XL Body Sculpting. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy, 30%. Note, the foot pedal must be pressed to operate. Push the do channel in 3 sections. Push the whole do channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. CET XL Clear channels, firm skin, and shape body. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy, 30%. Note, the foot pedal must be pressed to operate. Push the do channel in 3 sections. Push the whole do channel on the back. Push the bladder meridian in 3 sections. Push the bladder meridian. Glide the handle in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the handle back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Move the handle back and forth on the scapulothoracic joint. Wipe the treatment area with a towel,